Today for Mousetrap Monday, we're going to test out this powerful metal rat trap that dates to the World War II era. Now the one I have here is pretty rusty, but it still has the original paper label. It says the Dover Rat Trap, a baitless, completely new trap. This was first patented by Frank Doverspike of New York on December 8, 1942. And if you read the language in the patent, it talks about how the object of the invention is to make a powerful but effective trap of the spring jaw type, and will be safe and set to handle, and will be practical, rugged, and inexpensive to make. So those are some pretty big claims. Let's see how it works. We'll pull up the kill bar. It's on some powerful springs. We'll take out the label, and underneath is a pad. This goes up and down. And if you let go that kill bar, wow. Now to set it, you pull up the kill bar. There's a lever on top. You hook that under. And at the base here, there's a hook on the trigger. Put that in place. This is all set and ready to go. Now with this trap, you don't use bait. You put it along a wall or in a runway. The rat will come along, step on the pad, and you got it. Our little squeaker didn't make his noise, but it's still very powerful. The Dover trap looks like it's gonna work. Let's go set it up in the barn along the wall and see if any rats come along, step on the pad, and get caught. Well, one thing's for sure, the Dover trap is a very fast trap. I set it up along a wall, the rat came by, stepped on the pad, and got caught. To remove it, you lift up the kill bar and give it a little flip. Oh! That spring has a lot of power. Hopefully my fingernail doesn't turn blue again. Now I don't want the rat we caught to go to waste. Wild animals would love to eat it. Let's go set up the motion cameras and see what comes along to enjoy a rat snack. I love setting up the trail camera at the beaver dam because so many wild animals pass by. When I went to go check it this morning, the rat was gone. The first animal that came was a wood duck. Those are one of the most beautiful ducks in the world, so much color. The next animal to pass by was a nutria. Those are a non-native invasive species brought from South America. They're basically a large water rat. They do so much damage. They burrow into levees and dikes and can cause ponds to fail. I try to shoot every one of those I see. But the next animal was a beaver working on the dam. He almost buried our rat with mud and sticks, but then a coyote came. The coyote didn't have any problem grabbing the rat and running off. This time of year, it probably has a den full of pups, so we need to name that coyote. Leave a comment down below. With how much it likes rats, it will probably show up in future videos. And the last thing to show up was a huge raccoon. That thing was giant. Too bad that Coyote got there first. That raccoon doesn't look like he'll pass up a free meal. But overall, the Dover trap from the 1940s worked well. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider clicking the button right there. I've posted over 500 videos on YouTube, and currently I'm posting new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So if you want to see how to catch mice, rats, squirrels, chipmunks, moles, voles, and gophers, stay tuned.